In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix Google Docs app not responding. If you're facing this challenge with your Google Docs app, there are quite a number of steps you can take to fix this. If this video helps, please like and subscribe. Alright, so the first thing you want to do is to troubleshoot your Google Docs app to fix this issue. To do this, first go to your phone and look for settings. From settings, go to apps and then look for manage apps option or all apps option. This will list all the apps you have on your phone. From the list, search for Docs. Tap on it to open, and then you want to go to for stop app and OK. Then go to clear data and clear cache, and finally OK, and finally clear all data. Now restart your smartphone and ensure that you're not using any VPN or any recently installed security app on your phone, as this might be causing the issue. However, if this does not fix your problem, then check and then see if you have any update for Google Docs through Google Play Store or App Store if you're on iPhone. So I just search for Docs and run it, and here update your app to the latest version. However, if this does not fix your problem, then most likely Google Docs might have experienced internal server error. For that, you need to wait after some few minutes. Now try to use or open your Google Docs app, and now everything should be up and running. So that's how you can fix Google Docs not responding error on your smartphone. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.